Good day everyone. So for today's video, we'll do a tutorial on how to properly fold and insert a formal letter into an envelope. The first step we are going to do is fold the paper from the bottom, like this. And next is fold the upper part. Make sure that it can be folded away, because if you fold and not even in the edges, it have a double crease. And if the A4 is even the edges, now fold the A4 using your thumbnail, like this. And also leave about 1 or 2 inches of the space that your letterhead is visible to fall right away as it opens. Now hold these letters using your thumb and also hold the envelope gently. So you start from the bottom and then insert into the envelope. Make sure that what is clearly and understand how to do it. So that, thank you for watching guys.